Hello friends! Is your engine running rough, shaking, or losing power? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0309, it means cylinder 9 is misfiring. This can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and even engine damage if left untreated. But don't worry. In this video we'll explain what P0309 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0309? P0309 stands for Cylinder 9 Misfire Detected. This means the powertrain control module has detected that Cylinder 9 is not firing correctly, which can lead to rough engine operation and potential long-term damage. Common symptoms of P0309: check engine light on engine shaking or vibrating at idle, loss of power, sluggish acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, strong fuel smell from exhaust and engine stalling or running rough. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to check the key components related to Cylinder 9. To diagnose P0309, inspect these key locations. Cylinder 9 spark plug and ignition coil, located on top of Cylinder 9, near the intake manifold or engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor, positioned near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, crucial for ignition timing. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, helps regulate ignition and fuel injection. Fuel injector for Cylinder 9, mounted on the intake manifold near Cylinder 9, controls fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, located between the air filter and throttle body, measures air intake. Throttle position sensor, found on the throttle body, regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, positioned before and after the catalytic converter, monitors the air-fuel ratio. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold located around the engine, responsible for proper air-fuel balance. A failure in any of these components can cause a Cylinder 9 misfire. Common causes of P0309. So, let's dive into some common causes of engine issues. First up, a faulty or worn-out spark plug in Cylinder 9. A weak spark can lead to incomplete combustion. Then, there's the defective ignition coil in Cylinder 9. A bad coil can fail to generate enough voltage for ignition. Next, we have a clogged or failing fuel injector in Cylinder 9. A dirty injector leads to improper fuel delivery. Low fuel pressure is another culprit. A weak fuel pump or pressure regulator can reduce fuel supply. Vacuum leaks are also a common issue. A leak in the intake manifold or hoses disrupts the air-fuel balance. A faulty mass airflow sensor can cause problems too. Incorrect air readings affect combustion. Additionally, a crankshaft or camshaft position sensor malfunction can disrupt ignition timing. Excessive carbon buildup in Cylinder 9 can block proper fuel flow. And finally, PCM or wiring issues. A damaged wiring harness or malfunctioning PCM can trigger a misfire. How to fix P0309? Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for Cylinder 9. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for Cylinder 9. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to ensure the pump and regulator are functioning properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor, also known as CKP, and the camshaft position sensor, or CMP. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. Step 7. Check for a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust issues. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. If you ignore P0309, it can cause serious engine damage and expensive repairs. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02694 Injector Circuit High Cylinder 16 and P0295 Cylinder 12 Contribution Balance Fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.